Hi, it is English Lizus, and today we have a special lesson which is English digraphs. First of all, we should know what is digraph. Digraph is the combination of two letters that together make a new single sound. Digraph is the combination of two letters that together make a new single sound. For instance, we have C plus H. C plus H, we got cha. It makes a new single sound, cha, cha, cha. An example, we have chill, chili. Can you see? Chill, chili. And here we got chest. And here we got chest, chest. Can you see? And following we have CS plus H. S plus H. It makes a new single sound. Sh, 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 sh. We got example here. Sheet, sheet. Shop, shop. Shell, shell. Shop, sheet, sheet. Shop, shell. And following we got here T plus H. T plus H, it makes a new single sound. Th, 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 th. Can you see? Here we got this example. They, 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 they. With, 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 with. Can you see? With. Here we got P plus H. It makes a new single sound. F, f, f. Here we got fun, fun, fun. In here we got photo, photo, photo. And here we got geography, geography, geography. Here we got W plus H. W plus H, we got oof, oof, oof. And here we got what, what, what. Here we got when, when, when. Here we got whisk, whisk, whisk. And here we got whisper, whisper. Thank you for watching, and this is a special lesson that will help you reading and write English. Don't forget to subscribe.